Never do your oil change every 3,000 miles anymore. Go with synthetic with 20,000 mile guarantee, and you can change your oil, I would say, every 10,000 miles. Do not do it at 20,000 miles. 10,000 miles will be good to save time and money, because if you have to do multiple oil change, every 3,000 miles gonna cost you more money and time. So it's smart to go with synthetic 20,000 miles, okay? Tech also carry 20,000 miles, but it is not high mileage. So if you have a newer car, maybe you can stick with this. I will change my oil using synthetic 20,000 miles from now on. It's a great investment. This is only, I guess, might be, I'm not sure it's 2048, but it might be a bit more, but it's worth it with your time and investment. Walmart, I would highly recommend you to switch to 20,000 miles synthetic. If you have high mileage, stick with this, and it's only $29.97. And then what you need to do, you're gonna have to use a special oil filter. I stick with Mobil 1 oil filter for synthetic oil, okay? Do not use a regular oil filter. If you're gonna use a frame, you want to stick with ultra synthetic 20,000 mile to match your oil 20,000 mile protection, okay? You can go with Mobil 1, which is highly recommend. It's only like, $11.70, and this one protect up to 20,000 miles as well. So make sure you use these special oil filters, not the regular oil filters. Another one, synthetic endurance. I haven't used them by frame, and it's only $13.42, and it protect even more, 25,000 miles. Can you believe that? So this is a good one also to use, okay? Because the regular oil filter will only protect you up to 3,000 miles. A little bit cheaper, $7.17. You can go with frame tough guard, protect up to 15,000 miles, but I probably will not use this, okay? Skip this. Use the one that is for synthetic oil.